Ever pondered the art of concocting authentic Chinese noodles right in the comfort of your own kitchen? You're in the right place. Chinese cuisine is renowned for its diversity, complexity, and of course, its heavenly taste. Among its vast array of dishes, Chinese noodles hold a special place. They are versatile, delicious, and surprisingly easy to prepare at home. First things first, gather all the ingredients. For an authentic Chinese noodle dish, you'll need some fresh Chinese noodles, a few cloves of garlic, ginger, spring onions, soy sauce, sesame oil, and your choice of vegetables or meat. The first step in this culinary journey is to cook the noodles. Boil a large pot of water, and once it's bubbling away, add the noodles. Cook them until they're just tender, usually about 5 to 7 minutes. But remember, it's essential to not overcook them. When they're done, drain them and set them aside. While the noodles are cooking, it's time to prepare the sauce. Mince the garlic and ginger, and chop the spring onions. Heat some oil in a pan, add the minced garlic and ginger and sauté until they're fragrant. Then add the soy sauce and sesame oil, stirring well to combine. Next, it's the stir-frying stage. In a wok or large frying pan, heat some more oil. Add your choice of veggies or meat and stir-fry until they're cooked and crisp. Then, pour in the sauce you've prepared, followed by the cooked noodles. Toss everything together until the noodles are well coated with the sauce. Finally, top off your dish with the chopped spring onions and voila! You've successfully made a delicious, authentic Chinese noodle dish at home. To summarize, first, cook the noodles and set them aside. Then, prepare the sauce by sautéing minced garlic and ginger and adding soy sauce and sesame oil. Stir-fry your choice of vegetables or meat, add the sauce and noodles, and toss everything together. Finish off with some chopped spring onions and your homemade Chinese noodles are ready to be devoured. So there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to cooking Chinese noodles. It's not just about filling your stomach, but also about experiencing the joy of creating something delightful with your own hands. So don your apron and get cooking,